Here we are underneath One West Porch. So you can see what we did. We added on a 1x6 to every floor joist. Some on that side, some on this side. And these floor joists, strange enough, were 7 inches. I ended up adding a 6-inch on. I think it didn't really need to do anything, but I always like to have extra, so that closes the distance between here a little bit, and gives a lot of support. So once I put my pillars in here, in addition to the metal rods, which they go down in the ground about 3 feet and then onto a stone, I just jacked this one up a little bit more. It was a little low in the center. It was really sweet. I jacked it up, and then all I did was take my hand and tighten that nut there because they put extra rod up into the beam. Very smart. Love how they do that. Okay, so now we're going to work on the end. We're also going to work on this, but not yet. We need to do this first. So you can see we have rot here. And what we're going to do is I already pulled this piece out of here, which leaves this kind of up in the air, but it's not going to come down anyways because I added extra pillars and I also fastened them in up there, so it's not going anyplace, but it might look scary, but it's not. So I'm going to take this one out totally, just remove the whole thing, put a new one in, and then I need to take the chisel, take some of this one off, maybe quite a bit. I need to take at least 1 inch or 2 off this one, unless I hate to remove the whole thing. Suppose I could though, maybe I'll do that. Yeah, I'm not sure. Might remove the whole thing, put new ones on. Might be easier. Okay, so if I do that, I'm going to cut it like right in here so that these two are spliced. And then actually I might do a 1 inch here so I get a lot of crisscrossing of the joints and kind of build it out so it's like a 6 inch wide plank here. And then bring the floor out to it, because the water's not going to hit near here anyways, and there's going to be a stairs. Well, there will be. Tempting to not put one in, but I will. Okay, I need to quit for the night, but we'll be back at this hopefully tomorrow.